In this tutorial, I will give you the 11 best words to include on a CV or resume. I will also give you a brilliant personal statement to use right at the very start of your CV or resume. So, if you are applying for any job with any company and you want to write the best CV or resume possible, stay tuned because I promise to help you be successful. And just very quickly, if you are new to this channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Literally thousands of you are getting hired. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a like because that tells me you find these tutorials useful and it also motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Okay, let's jump straight into the presentation. So, to help you quickly write a CV or resume that is guaranteed to grab the attention of the hiring manager, I will cover the following 3 things during this tutorial. Number 1, I will tell you the 11 best words to include on your CV or resume. Now, these words have been tried and tested, and they are the ones that are most likely to get you hired. Number 2, I will then give you a sentence to use in your CV or resume that includes each of those 11 powerful words. And then finally, number 3, I will give you a brilliant, attention-grabbing personal statement to use right at the very start of your CV or resume. So let me start off and tell you those 11 best words to include in a CV or resume. Please make sure you take notes. So word number 1 is dependable. This is a really good one. Dependable people can be relied upon to do their job on time and to a very high standard. Here's a great statement to use in your CV or resume that uses the word dependable. I am a dependable person who requires minimal supervision and monitoring. Everything I do in this role will be focused on achieving my responsibilities in the fastest time possible. The second word to include on a CV or resume is energetic. I love the word energetic because it tells me someone is passionate about their work and their positivity and enthusiasm will definitely rub off onto the other people in a team. So here's a great statement to use in your CV or resume that uses the word energetic. I am an energetic person who is self-motivated to do a great job for my employer. My positivity and enthusiastic nature means I will get more work done than the average person. Word number 3 is collaborative. This is another good one. Collaborative means you work closely with other people in a team to achieve a common goal or task. It is a word the hiring manager will definitely be familiar with and it will definitely help grab their attention. So here's a great statement for a CV or resume that uses the word collaborative. I am a collaborative team worker who supports my co-workers, focuses on the task in hand, and overcomes challenges and problems quickly to achieve a successful outcome. The fourth word to include on a resume or CV is flexible. All hiring managers want to employ people who are flexible and adaptable. Now, being flexible means you are prepared to undertake duties that are perhaps outside of your job description when needed to help the company in times of need. Being flexible also means you will work additional paid for hours if required. So here's a great statement to use on your CV or resume that uses that word flexible. I am a flexible employee who is prepared to carry out tasks outside of my job description when needed, and I will work additional hours if required to assist the company in times of need. The fifth word to use on a CV or resume is results driven. Now, results driven is such a great word to include on a CV or resume because it tells the hiring manager you are focused on achieving great things at work. So here's another powerful statement you can use to grab their attention. Being a results driven employee means I always focus on achieving goals that are aligned with the company's commercial and financial objectives. Word number 6 is innovative. Now, the word innovative means you are original in your thinking and you seek ways to help a company grow and overcome challenges and problems. So here's another powerful statement for you to use. I am an innovative problem solver who seeks ways to help a business grow, and I always take ownership of problems and challenges to achieve a successful outcome. Word number 7 to include on your CV or resume is frugal. Now, the word frugal is rarely used on CVs or resumes. However, it will definitely grab the attention of the hiring manager because they want to take someone on in the role who will take care of supplies and resources to help the company save money and increase profits. So here's a great statement for you to use that includes that brilliant word frugal. I am a frugal worker who promises to use company supplies and resources sparingly to help save money and increase profits. Word number 8 is development. This is another good one. Now, if you are the type of employee who takes ownership of their professional development, then you will always be a useful and productive member of a team. So here's another great statement to include on your CV or resume that uses that word development. Because I take ownership of my professional development, you can rest assured you will always have a useful, highly productive and progressive member of your team who adds value to the organization. Word number 9 is achievement. This is another powerful one. Achievement is a great word to use on a CV or resume because it means you have done something of significance either in your personal or work life. So here's a great statement to use on your CV or resume that includes the word achievement. I have a track record of achievement and I will replicate the same success for your company in this role. For example, I have won several sporting events with the team I was a part of, and I achieved outstanding grades during my academic studies, proving my work ethic is always strong. Word number 10 to use on a CV or resume is change. Now, change is an extremely powerful word to include on your CV or resume because change is needed in all organizations if they are to continually improve and become the market leader. So let me now give you another brilliant statement to use that includes the word change. I am positive about change, which means I will support the senior management team in implementing new policies, procedures and working practices to meet the needs of customers and help the organisation become the market leader. Word number 11 to use on your CV or resume is thank you. Now, a great way to build a connection with the hiring manager is to say thank you on your CV or resume, because if you say thank you for them considering your application, it shows good manners and respect. So let me now give you a brilliant personal statement to use at the very start of your CV or resume that uses powerful words and phrases and also finishes off with the all-important word thank you. I am applying for this position because I am looking for a new and fresh challenge with a forward-thinking organisation where I can achieve great things with the team I am a part of. I enjoy working in a dynamic and fast-paced environment where everyone is focused on achieving great things for their employer. I am innovative, supportive, industrious and commercially aware, meaning I understand I must do a great job for my employer to help them beat the competition and become the market leader. I have the skills and qualities to match the job description, and my track record of achievement in life gives me the confidence I can replicate the same success for your organisation. For example, I have won several sporting events with a team I am a part of, and I achieved excellent grades at college, demonstrating my ability to apply myself, focus on the task in hand, and achieve my goals. As well as being a good communicator and possessing excellent excellent practical skills. I am an outstanding collaborator whose flexibility and adaptability means I am prepared to carry out tasks outside of my job description and work additional hours when needed to assist the organisation. I feel strongly I have the necessary skills, qualities and attributes to perform the role to a very high standard, and I would appreciate the opportunity to be interviewed for the position. Thank you for considering my application. So the next thing to do, if you want to make your life very easy when applying for any job, is click that link right now in the top right hand corner of the video, head straight through to my website passmyinterview.com, and you can instantly download my 7 ready-made CV and resume templates. They are fantastic. They include powerful personal statements and words and phrases that will grab the attention of the hiring manager. Make sure you check that out. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Literally thousands of you are getting hired. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please make sure you give the video a like, because that really does motivate me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed, and I wish you all the best for getting hired and passing your interview. Have a great day.